Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello class 7 boys and girls, how are you? It's my hope that you are fine, and I'm fine. I would like to welcome you to today's lesson whereby we are looking at commission. Commission, I'll give you an example. For example, in a transaction, whereby a transaction that involves salespersons, those who do sales and marketing, or salespeople, the salespersons, they are paid something called commission. For example, I give you these pens. You go to sell these pens, and I tell you in each pen you will sell at 50 shillings. Each pen you will sell at 50 shillings. And in every 50 shillings that you sell, I will give you 10 shillings. So that 10 shillings given, that is what we call the commission. Commission is the amount of money that is calculated or per the total sales. The total sales. Total sales is the amount of money. For example, if I give you these pens, you sell them at 50 shillings. So the total sales will be 50 shillings times 3 because I have 3 pens. So the total sales in our case will be 150 shillings. And I say, in every 50 shillings you sell, I'll give you 10 shillings. That means this pen will give you a commission of 10 shillings. This other one will give you a commission of 10 shillings, and this other one will give you a commission of 10 shillings. So the total commission will be 30 shillings. So the amount of goods sold, the total sales, from the total sales is where we calculate the commission. Commission is given over the total sales. For example, you sell goods worthy 20,000 shillings. You sell goods worth 20,000 shillings. Out of these 20,000 shillings, I'll give you a commission of 1,000. Out of every 20,000 shillings, I'll give you a commission of 1,000. If in 20,000 shillings I give you a commission, let me say for example, after selling goods worth 10,000 shillings, I give you 1,000 shillings. How much will I give you if you sell goods worth 50,000? How much will I give you if you sell goods worth 50,000? So, if after selling goods worth 10,000, every 10,000 you earn yourself a 1,000. So how many 10,000s are there in 5,000? You realize that they are 5. There are 5 10,000 shillings in 50,000. So after selling goods worth 50,000, that means I multiply here by 5. So you will receive a commission of 5,000 shillings. How do we calculate percentage commission? How do we calculate percentage commission? Percentage commission is given by the commission given over the total sales. Commission given over the total sales 10 times 1,000 times 1,000 times 1,000. That is how we calculate percentage commission. For example, you have total sales. You have total sales of 20,000 shillings, and I give you a commission. I give you a commission of 2,000 shillings. What is the percentage commission? In this case, percentage commission, using our formula, percentage commission is equal to the commission over total sales times 100. So in this case, you take your commission, which is 2,000 shillings, over the total sales. The total sales were 20,000 times 100 times 100. So in this case, the percentage commission will be 10%. So to get the percentage commission, you take the commission given over the total sales, the amount of goods, the amount of money you get after selling the goods, 10 times 100. That is how you get percentage commission. Now, how do you calculate commission given the percentage commission? To calculate the commission given the percentage commission, I use the same example. You are given a commission, you are given a 12% commission on the total sales. You are given a 12% commission on the total sales. Then in a certain month, you sell goods worthy 20,000. 20,000 will be the total sales. 20,000 will be the total sales. So how much commission are you going to earn? Given that you are given after every sales, you get a 12% commission. So to calculate that amount of commission, we just take the percentage commission times the total sales. So because you are given 12% over the total sales, and in this month you sell goods worth 20,000, your commission will be 12% of this. 12% means of 100 times the total sales. 12% of what you sell. 12% of what you sell. And this month you sold goods worth 20,000. So your commission will be 2,400 shillings. 2,400 shillings. So generally, commission is given over the total, is deducted from the total sales. To get percentage commission, you take the commission given over the total sales times 100. And when you are given the percentage commission, to get your commission, you get the percentage of what you sell. That is, in this case, we had 12% of 20,000. So the commission will be 12% of 20,000, which is 2,400 shillings. That is how you calculate questions on commission. Thank you very much.